Hello, all. My name is Krish Naik, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, guys, recently Oracle has laid off somewhere around 30,000 employees, which is approximately 18% of their workforce. And through their reports, when they announce this, they're saying that okay, from this layoff, we are saving somewhere around $8 to $10 billion, which they are going to invest somewhere else. And in this video, the reason of making this specific video is just to make you understand why this trend is happening with almost every other companies, where these companies are focusing more on with respect to investment. And it will also help you to understand how the jobs in the future will be, where we are actually moving towards, and many more things. First of all, for all those employees who has laid off, 30,000 is definitely a big number. And this is basically happening globally. I feel extremely sad. uh, but as you know, right, in this world everything is pivoting. Every company is trying to pivot to something else. They are trying to automate things and all. So first of all, I will go ahead in understanding or telling you the reasons why this kind of layoff is basically happening. From past couple of months, I've seen this kind of news from every other big tech companies, and everybody is following the same pattern, right? So after exploring more and more, if I talk about Oracle, right, they are investing heavily in AI data centers. Um and they have also given a specific value, like how much they are going to invest in AI data centers along with AI projects that they are trying to build is somewhere around $156 billion, right? And this also includes partnerships for various AI supercomputers, GPUs, and many more things, right? So this is the major reason, after understanding, and this reason is specifically for every other companies. If you have heard about OpenAI, right, recently they have taken huge amount of fundings and billions of dollars. You can see that Cloud is also doing some exceptional work. They're having tie-ups, they are doing multiple things, they are raising, they are doing some amazing investments also. Along with that, they're also doing some amazing revenues out there, right? So in all these particular centers, every companies are also focusing on creating their own AI data centers. Even if you heard about Elon Musk, I think I heard that Elon Musk is even planning, to probably go ahead and probably open data centers in the space, right? So that things are also happening. So obviously for all this kind of work, huge amount of investment is basically required. And similarly, in the case of Oracle, it is somewhere around $156 billion, right? The second most core important reason that I could probably find as a pattern in all the specific companies is basically shifting to AI automation. If I talk about companies like Cloud and all, right, now some news are also coming up, and they have also announced in their blog that all the future development, specifically Cloud, is only doing itself, right, for the next phase of development in their applications and all, right? You'll be seeing that many companies are still, like, they are heavily utilizing AI coding tools to improve efficiency, allowing small teams to deliver products, which has reduced the need for human personnel in certain roles specifically. If you see some Cloud report also, they have shipped so many different projects. Like every day they are shipping around 500 to 600 products, right? And in GitHub, you will be able to see that all this specific work is specifically happening with the help of Cloud itself, right? So this is the main reason you're shifting towards AI automation out there. And I think in the future, AI automation basically means when you're using this kind of coding tools, it's just like you're talking to a software engineer, you're instructing a senior software engineer to do something exceptional with respect to any kind of task. And the kind of speed is multiple times when compared to a normal software engineer or senior software engineer that is there, right? So this is one of the most important reason, what I have actually found out from all the reports. The second thing is that with respect to financial pressures, right, despite, you'll be able to see one more pattern. Even the company is growing amazingly well, right? Every company is growing amazingly well. Despite the strong revenue growth, the company is managing significant debt. It will be restructuring to free up many more capital expenditure, so that they will be able to invest in all this kind of initiatives like AI data centers and all, right? So, and that's the reason, that is also one of the reason why a lot of roles, which they're thinking that it may not be used, it can be automated, those roles have been specifically laid off, right? And overall, if you probably say that with respect to any companies that are happening, the layoffs are specifically happening in various sectors. Let's say in the case of Oracle, right? In their report, they have said that okay, Oracle Health and Sales, Cloud, uh, all these particular sectors, and along with that sectors which can be actually automated with the help of AI, they have been affected a lot. So in short, they're trying to make such a pivot toward AI, so considering that traditional software services towards cloud and AI infrastructure structure, whatever traditional legacy activities that they used to do has been completely automated with the new AI tools itself. So those are the various initiatives companies has been taking off, and they are doing this. Again, it's a sad news. Obviously, it is sad news for every person who is specifically working in the IT field. But as you all know, that everything you have to pivot, you have to keep on pivoting, so that you should be in that way that okay, you have some purpose in a company where you're doing some exceptional work. And right now, if you see with respect to productivity, right, everybody is moving towards AI slowly, and I feel that in the upcoming 5 years, a lot of horizontal, vertical landscape changes that are going to specifically happen in the AI field. Okay. But from this video, the main aim was to make you understand how you also need to make sure that in the future, these things are definitely going to come. There is no one that can actually prevent, right? That's the most saddest part. And the speed of things that are happening towards it, right? Every company is growing at the same pace. Every company will make such a similar strategic decisions. Like AI data centers is one of them. Every bigger companies will be able to see that they will definitely be doing these things. And right now, the way that things are going on, from Nvidia to Microsoft to probably OpenAI, Claude, to various companies like Oracle, this thing is going to happen. Okay. And the best part is that we really need to be prepared with anything that comes, but you also need to set up your mindset, right? This thing is tend to happen, and we also need to pivot ourselves with respect to the same thing. But again, a very sad news to hear about, but so it is. We really need to be prepared as we go ahead. Start pivoting yourself, guys. Start thinking like what how the future is going to look like, and start making that specific decision with respect to your learning, with respect to your upskilling. I hope you like this particular video. This was it from my side. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.